Maybe you've heard of detox diets before, but are skeptical about their claims. Well, this 3-day liver cleanse is different. Made with powerful ingredients backed by science, it's a safe and effective way to experience a total health transformation. This powerful liver-supporting drink made with easy-to-find ingredients will revolutionize your health journey. But before we dive in, a word of caution. While detox diets like this one can offer incredible benefits, it's essential to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new regimen, especially if you have underlying health concerns. Now, let's explore the magic of our 3 key ingredients. Celery. This unassuming veggie is a powerhouse for your health. Packed with antioxidants like apigenin and luteolin, celery blasts away liver toxins and soothes inflammation. Its fiber content helps clear out toxins, while essential nutrients like magnesium and potassium keep your heart healthy. Celery isn't just a snack, it's a liver-loving superhero. Lemon. Bursting with vitamin C and antioxidants, lemons are essential for liver detoxification and overall health. They prevent cell damage, replenish energy levels, and even have natural antibacterial properties. By cleansing your liver with lemon, you're giving your body the support it needs to thrive. Honey. Not just sweet, honey is packed with phytoncides that heal and regenerate the liver. It's a game changer for those dealing with fatty liver disease. And its antioxidants help clear out toxins and bile. Plus, honey's been hailed for its health benefits for centuries. Just ask Pythagoras. Now, let's whip up this incredible detox mix. Simply blend celery, lemon, and a touch of honey for a delicious elixir that will cleanse your liver and benefit your entire body. By incorporating this liver-supporting drink into your routine, you're not just detoxing, you're strengthening your immune system, normalizing blood pressure, and supporting multiple bodily systems. It's a natural, healthy way to boost your overall well-being. So, do you believe in the power of these ingredients? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Here's to your health and vitality.